Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do Povi Masima and ulu, breadfruit and cabbage. And the drink today is Powerade drink. How are you guys going? I'm going to show you the food. There it is. That's the breadfruit, the ulu, the the Povi Masima, and the cabbage. Okay, so that's today's mukbang. Is Povi Masima. See, there it is, and that's the breadfruit, the ulu. So I thought I'd do it today. I was going to do it with green bananas, green fuddy food bananas, but I thought I'll try to do the ulu today because, well, just because I think. Anyway, got no answer for that, but I'm going to dig into start my food off. So, good to have you guys, watching. And here's the first room Masima. It's brisket, guys, and it's been in salt for I don't know how long. It depends on what the butcher does. And I thought I'll make some cabbage to eat it with. So the cabbage got a little bit of sweetness. So, you know how Povi Masima can become salty sometimes? Well, the cabbage helps. The ulu's been put in coconut cream. It's just like when the Maoris, they have they like to boil brisket and cabbage, or their bacon bones and cabbage. Not much difference. The ulu's nice. I've trimmed some of the fat off the Povi Masima, but it doesn't mean I don't mind to have some, because it's a nice little lulu and who likes breadfruit? Even when we used to go to the islands, Samoa. I've turned the plate around so you can see the Povi Masima. And the ulu. Someone requested for me to do the Povi Masima, but I don't remember who it was. So whoever it was, here you go. Here's your bit. Ulu. And the cabbage is still steaming. Nā rea, whare fuoro, ka pisi, ma le Povi Masima. Before it was like only a Sunday that you get to eat, you know, like Povi Masima. But now you can eat it anytime, really. Because back in the days, that was like gourmet food. Povi Masima. Some people like to have it, you know, really overcooked. But I don't mind. Either way. What's this? Just that fat I've been topping off. Now I'm going to chop this blubber off because you don't have to eat it. But I don't mind a little bit of fat, but not a whole lot of fat. Hey, there's a bit of niceness there. And I don't want to get wasted. No. I'm starting to see that, you know, like there's some YouTubers out there starting to come out with salmon food. So good on them. Sorry, that's a cat. My cat is crying from outside, wants to come inside. Yeah, so anyway, as I was saying, they're starting to come up with their YouTube salmon YouTube food, and it's good. Then we can all get to watch each other's mukbangs, I reckon. Oh, there was a mukbang that I saw recently. I was having a good old laugh. It was Sarah and her cousin Nicole. No, Tama and Nicole and Sarah and Wade. But they're first cousins, the girls, so they got together and they done a mukbang, their first one. And I was cracking up. Because they both have some like funny comebacks with each other. It's good. So I was having a little laugh then. I can't wait to do more. You know, our Polynesian food. Look, there's 3 over there. 3 pieces. I just didn't want to like drag on a long video. I don't want to put you guys to sleep. This ulu, before you couldn't get ulu, you know, but now it's coming through. Oh, it's good. Right. Guys, I would normally pick this up and eat it. But I went today. So this is Faye ulu. Right. Ngay xin gặp. You know what? This is good lunch. That didn't even take long because I'm not gonna eat this bit because it's like got fat on it. Ooh. That was good. Look, I'll show you the other ulu. See? That's the other ulu. And I'll leave that so I can eat it with the other Faye Masima that's in the pot. And this one is boiled with the cabbage. You know, just to cut down the saltiness of the Faye Masima. Pardon me. Yeah. Oh. Now that's for the that Robert guy that always asks for me to burp. Sorry. Excuse everyone. Okay. I did say to him I'll do it, you know, depending if it. Anyway, guys, this is not enough for me to eat. But I had to leave the blubber part out and just do my mukbang, and at the moment I'll have to like say see you later. But my other ulu, I'm gonna, you know, eat that later, you know, because I've got to save some for after. Can't eat it all, then I end up in the you know where. But anyway, guys, you take it, guys. Sorry I couldn't do more, but I just wanted to show you guys Faye Masima that you can do a mukbang. Someone else might come up with a mukbang with heaps of Faye Masima on their plate. So come on, guys, do more videos so we can all like enjoy the videos that you guys put up, because I've been having to go to like the Hawaiian side, like to watch their mukbangs, because they have some too. So but at the moment, so far I'm enjoying, you know, like the sapasui ones and stuff, because I've already done my sapasui video, and I've seen I can't remember her name, Yeah, she stays in America, and she talks about how her nana's food is better than what she buys from the shop. And hey, I think I believe it, because you know, us Samoans, we can get some good cooking happening in the kitchen, aren't you? And then when you grow up with your family's cooking, of course you're going to say that, you know, that they're the best, because they are. In your own life, they are. So believe it. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So you take care, okay? Yeah. Take care, and I hope to see more videos of you know, oh yeah, I just wanted to say hello to that beautiful woman out there named Catalina. Catalina, you always make me like crack up with your videos, because you know, you don't care, you just do whatever you want, and that's what I like. Yeah, okay, fasui fua. Take care, okay? And I'll see you again on my next video, and hopefully I can eat more, okay? But today was only one. Yeah, fasui fua.